So welcome back, guys. So this is the second task for this project. So this is the second task for it. So we've learned list, so we want to put all what we've learned into practice now. So we want to create this kind of a setup. We want to create this kind of a window on our website. So to do that, let's just go to our VS Code. So to do that, just type in h1. We can pause this video now to see if you can do it without the video. If not, just go back to the video and watch it very well, then you can later come back to the task and do it again. But I'm very sure if you grab the whole concept of the list module, you'll be able to do this without having to like watch the video and do it. Just do it straight. Don't watch the video while doing it. Do it like you are doing a real project on yourself. So let's just start now. Pause the video right now and do it. So okay, with that being said, let me just give the solution to it here. So to do that, we type in scrambled. So we have the scrambled eggs. So we have that here. Then we have the p tag. Inside the p tag we have eggs. Eggs are one of my favorite food. So here is a recipe. Here is a recipe for deliciously rich scrambled eggs. So let's just reload and see what we have. So you can see what we have now. This is scrambled eggs. So you can see it's no different from what we have right here. If you look at it, it's not different from what we have right here. So we want to create this section and this remaining section. So all you just need to do is to come down, you type in h2, you hit enter. So you put the ingredients here, ingredients. So that'll be here. So underneath it will be ordered list, OL, Ctrl Z, OL, and you hit enter. So inside you have LI, and you hit enter. So we have two eggs, LI again, hit enter, 1 TBS of butter. So another LI again, that's teaspoon, I guess, LI, and 2 TBS of cream. So by the time we save now and check our browser, we see that we have this same section there. Let's just go to our browser. So we're on our browser now. Let's just save. Ctrl S. So you can see what we have now. You can see the results right over here. So now what we want to do now is for the method section. So what we just have to do is just come here. So we type in our h2 tag, h2, and we have method here. So this is method. Then we go down. So this is the ordered list. That's the UL, the one that has the 1 2 3 tag. So LI. So melt butter in a frying pan, oven a medium heat. So that's for the first one. Z forward wrap Z. So I want to type in the next li tag. The next li tag, hit enter. Gently mix the eggs and cream in a bowl. So the next li tag again. Once the butter has melted, add cream and eggs. So that's for that. The next li again, you hit enter using a spatula or spoon. Spatula, fold the eggs of the pan to the center every 20 seconds. As if you are making an all meat. So that's for that. And all meat. So for the last one, now the li, we'll type when the eggs are still moist, remove from the heat. So bracket close, bracket open. It will continue to cook on the plate until served. So let's just go to our browser. By the time we reload this, you see the output now. So you can see now the output. By the time we go to our photo, you can see they are the same. You can see they are the same. We have 1, 2, 3 for the eggs. Oh, there is a mistake. So okay, I changed it for themselves. So this is meant to be the UL. This is meant to be UL. So let's correct that. This is meant to be UL, while this should be OL tag. So just change it in your case, Ctrl S, and we have the same result. So you can see now we have this unordered, this is the unordered, and this is the ordered one. So you can see if we go here back, we have same thing, 2 eggs, 1 butter. So you can see. So that's just that for today's tutorial. So if you like this content of this video, please do subscribe to this channel so that you can get awesome content to this. So share with your friend also.